Good evening, everyone. My name is Dr. Tia Cummins. I'm a clinical neuroscientist, CEO and co-founder of Flintworks. This is Patricia. This is my mum. She was the sole survivor of a really nasty car accident many years ago. And although she's tried a lot of different treatments, she still suffers on a daily basis with the symptoms of her post-traumatic stress disorder. And mum's not alone. 12% of the population will be diagnosed with PTSD, making this the second most common mental illness, second only to depression. Now, unfortunately, treatments are ineffective and just 30% of patients recover. And not only does this have a massive impact for the likes of mum and our family, but it also costs Australia $30 billion every year. So at Flintworks, we took these ineffective treatments and we made them better and safer by elevating them into a clinical grade virtual reality therapy platform targeting complex mental illness such as PTSD. Our software that we developed is installed on an iPad and a VR headset, and it improves the effectiveness of therapy by allowing a clinician to create therapeutic VR environments that are tailored to the needs of their patient. And this is done in real time. So this is during the session. And you can see here from this video just how easy it is for a clinician to create one of these environments, whilst also being able to keep an eye on what their patient is actually experiencing. Now, our solution is backed by 30 years of science, and it's also been co-designed with clinicians to make sure that this platform doesn't just make treatments more effective, but also less scary for patients. So by embracing this platform, these benefits mean that in Australia, we can actually reduce the cost of PTSD by 50%. And this is a SaaS B2B model. We're targeting the 40,000 therapists in Australia via 3 primary channels: hospitals and health networks, Department of Veterans Affairs, and workplace insurance. So last year, we launched our MVP into a pilot. Now, the feedback was absolutely amazing. We've recently won a contract with University of Sydney, who will be developing a Flintworks micro-credential for clinicians to educate them on how to use our platform for therapy with their patients. And this creates a pipeline of not just champions, but also customers that helps us launch into the clinical market early next year. And we're starting off with PTSD, but we've really quickly been able to move into other forms of anxiety. And from there, we're able to step into parallel domains and different disorders. And why are we the best for this mission? Well, because as well as having a PhD in this field, I have seen firsthand the impact of trauma in the military as a British soldier, and of course, as a caregiver for mum. CTO Pete Martin is an award-winning creative technologist, and he comes with decades of experience. And we're also supported by world-leading experts in our advisory group. So we are currently fundraising. If you would like to know more about us, please check out the QR code there. And we would love for more people to join us on this journey as we try and help more people like my mum. Thank you.